Hey guys, it's lunch hour. On the stock market, that doesn't mean very much because I can trade all the way through lunch, but I'm going to take a few minutes out of my day just to make a quick video to introduce myself to you guys because I have my own channel, but Coinigy invited me over here to start uploading some videos to this channel because I am a full-time trader. I've been trading for 11 years full-time. My sole source of income is the markets. And, you know, I'm fairly successful. I've really only just traded by myself for the past 11 years. And then now I decided to make a few videos, start a little channel, make a few videos, and share what I know with everybody so that they could benefit also. This all started with Steem. Steem is a social media website. It's kind of like Facebook or Instagram. And instead of people just liking your posts, so you post something and people just like it, instead of that, they upvote it. So it's just a different type of button. Instead of the button like, they upvote. And by upvoting it, you get paid. The more people who upvote your post, the more Steem, which is their coin, the more Steem you get. And so that intrigued me. You know, I trade cryptocurrencies because I love the percentages and I love making, you know, 30–40% on a trade. So that's why I got into trading cryptocurrencies. But then every once in a while you get one of these coins that are really doing something, and Steem is one of those things where they're paying you to blog. So I thought, well, I could get some free Steem because I like to invest in this idea anyway, and meanwhile help the community. Go ahead and post some videos on trading and teach people how to trade and how to use Coinigy because it's an awesome platform, and then help everybody, but at the same time get some Steem for free. So that's how it all started for me. So I started a little YouTube channel, and I started making these videos, and then Coinigy noticed it and said, hey, you want to come over and post some over here? And so I said, sure, why not? You know. Anyway, so you can go visit mine. I'll post a link underneath this video so you can go and visit my real channel. But meanwhile, I'm going to bring some videos over here, and I'm going to explain to everybody how I trade, how easy I trade. It's so simple for me after this many years doing it that you can get in the same trades as I get in if you like. You can look at the same coins I look at if you like. In the stock market, I'm trading penny stocks, regular stocks, blue chips, whatnot, options. I've traded Forex. I've traded commodities, you know, I've traded a bunch of different things, but really what I love to trade is penny stocks. That's my thing. And again, it's because of the percentages. And if you become a trader, if you're new traders watching this video, if you become a trader, you got to think in percentages. And so if you go back to my channel, you'll see I've already made 20 videos or 23 videos of how I trade and how I read charts and you know, going through my trades and seeing what I do in a day and all of that kind of stuff. So there's a lot of really good stuff for you over there. I'm going to try to make a few videos here just giving you the basics so that if you're new to trading, you really kind of catch up to where we are, and then I'll just be giving you my daily trades, what I'm doing, especially in cryptocurrency, because that's what this channel is dedicated to. Sorry, I have to keep pausing this video, so if you see it a little blippy, it's because I'm trading at the same time, and every once in a while an alarm will go off and I have to go over there and fix it. But Coinigy's software is very comparable to all the other type of software that I use to trade the markets. Its charting is awesome, and being able to just flip through all the coins right on your side here. I'll go through all of these functions and you know, all the different features that Coinigy has in these videos, but I just got to tell you, it's really, really good. The charts are fantastic, very easy to read. I can break down these charts with you real simply. So, and there's drawing tools and whatnot on here, but I mean, I really trade naked, not physically naked, but I trade naked charts. So So there's a few things that you need in a platform. You need to be able to quickly go and see all your different coins. You need good charting that you can read and use. And you need a few features. But one thing that they did, especially with cryptocurrencies, because there's so many exchanges, they allowed those to be API'd so that we could have all of our different exchanges all listed here and be able to jump between them and put in trades. So that's fantastic, you know, to be able to have a bunch of different accounts out there and access them all through one platform. That's huge. And then they have other features like, if I bring this down a little bit, like right here, the apps. They have different apps, and I'm waiting for their chart scanner. That is going to be fantastic. That's going to be a game changer. But then they also have the Market Watch, which I use all the time. So if you go click on Market Watch, that lists, you know, what's happening, and you can sort it by percentages, so you can see that XCR, you know, is down 22%, and then you can just click on Launch to go and take a look at that chart if that's what you want to look at, and then, you know, down below you'll see Ethereum right now is up 8% and so forth. Anyway, I don't want to get into trading too much just yet. Let me make this big again and go back. I don't want to get into trading too much because I just want this to be an introduction video, but I want you to, I just want to throw this concept at you because this is my kind of mantra. This is what I live by. Imagine investing in whichever coin you want for free. So about a year and a half ago, not quite a year and a half, I started trading Bitcoin. And I didn't know about Coinigy yet, or maybe they weren't out yet, I'm not sure. But I just started, I was already trading the stock market, already making lots of money every day in my penny stocks and whatnot. And then I decided, you know what, I heard about this Bitcoin thing, I'm going to give this thing a try. So I bought $300 worth of Bitcoin. And I just started trading it because I understand charts and I know how to trade. And it's been a year and a little, and I've managed to run that up over $50,000. So $300 to over $50,000. That's how much opportunity there is in cryptocurrency. So with that much opportunity, if I could just do that, and I mean, Coinigy is a big part of that because using their software has made, you know, it's so easy. But imagine that you could trade any coin for free. Because, I mean, after you make, like, let's say you've invested $100 and you make your first 100. Well, now basically you can give yourself your $100 back and you're in for free. But I'm going to show you guys how I continually create coins trading. And then if I'm in any coin itself, like if I'm in Steem right now, I'm in Steem for free. I'm sitting on the profits I made from my trades. And that's the only thing that I have at risk in that coin. So basically what I'm saying is I'm not an investor. I'm a trader. You know, I trade every day. So if I'm going to invest, like if I'm going to sit in Steem long term, then I'm only going to sit with my profits. So I'm going to trade the currency and make some profits and sit that in Steem, but wait for the next opportunity to again trade and create a little bit of profit, and then that's what I can invest. That way, if it ever tanks, because yeah, I mean, we're talking about cryptocurrencies. So if the coin decides to just fall apart tomorrow, it's no big deal to me because I don't have any skin in the game. I'm not invested, really, with my own money. And because you can continually, once you learn how to trade like me, you can continually make profits. You're just, every day, you're making more Steem, you're making more Steem, or you're making more Bitcoin, you're making more Bitcoin. If you want to invest, well, every day you can invest a little bit more and invest a little bit more because you just keep on making the stuff. So you have your principal account that is kind of like your bankroll, and you're sitting on that and you're using that to create profits. And those profits you can actually put into the coins that you're interested in holding long term. But meanwhile, your core position, which for me is all in Bitcoin, your core position is always cash. And it just sits there waiting for the next opportunity to strike and make a quick buck. And most of these, I say quick buck, but most of these things, like look at Steem right now. We're talking about bounces from 13 to 21. So, you know, there's almost double your money in a bounce. So how easy is it to, you know, you don't even have to catch the bottom. I mean, I managed to catch 1250, so that's insane. But you don't even have to try to catch the bottom. You know, you can just, if you understand charts and you know basics about where to enter and where to exit, 30–40%. I mean, that's a lot of steam that you can generate, and then you can start investing in this thing if that's what you want to do. Of course I'm invested in Steem because I've created a lot of free steam. And it's the same thing with Ethereum, or like look at Ethereum today. Look at this jump from 18 to 22. Like, these are big percentages. That's not as big a percentage as what we just looked at, but man, you know? So there's opportunities like crazy in this market, and I really want to bring these to you. And I mean, you can go back to my channel and you can watch the old videos. I say they're old, but they're only 2 weeks old. You can go watch those videos where I just make 10-minute videos and just kind of, okay, this is how we read volume. Okay, this is how we read chart movement. Okay, this is, you know, this is the right way to enter. This is the place that you want to enter. Here's technical analysis and why I don't use basically any of it. You know, lots of people are breakout traders and they try to, you know, buy new highs, and there's a lot of reasons, and I give that in one of my videos, why I don't do that. You know, why it only works out 50 to 60% of the time. I like my trades to work out 95 to 100% of the time. When I take a trade, it's gonna work. So, you know, that sounds crazy. But it also sounds crazy to turn $300 into over 50,000. How do you make those kind of gains? You make those kind of gains by thinking in percentages, by understanding how to read charts, and by having great software to use. So I'm going to leave you guys with that. I got to get back to trading because my video is already at 12 minutes. I just wanted to introduce myself. My name is Luke. I'm on Steemit. I'm the Happy Steem Trader, and I'll put a link to my blog. You can go through my blog and you can, you know, go and see the different episodes that I've done, different videos that I've done to explain how I trade. I'm going to upload to Coinigy channel right now. I'm just going to upload every additional video that I give. I'm going to make it like as if you didn't go see my channel or you didn't go see my blog, and I'm going to try to take you from the basics and teach you how I trade. But if you want to jump ahead, you can go ahead and look at my channel, or you can go to Steemit and look at my blog, and then you know, I've only been there for a month on Steemit. So, and mind you, on Steemit I've already made over $1,000 in a month just posting a few cartoons because I'm kind of an artist. So I've been doing a little cartoon series because based on Steemit, and then trading, right? So I'm a trader and I draw a few cartoons. So you can go over there, you can look at that, and you can go to my channel if you want, or you can just come here, keep visiting the Coinigy channel, and wait for my additional videos that are going to be coming out soon, where I will still take you through the basics and show you my daily trades and teach you how I trade, because I think that I trade, I mean, everybody would say this about their strategy, but I think my strategy is the safest and easiest, and I've looked at all the different types of technical analysis. I've tried so many different strategies, and I mean, I like high percentage strategies. I like to know that when I take a trade, it's going to work, and I also like high percentage rewards. So those two things. But anyway, I'm going to leave you with this, and I will see you in the next video.